Hi, I'm Howard Monson from the Asper School of Business at the University of Manitoba.
My name is Keziah Brothers. I am in my 5th year at the University of Manitoba.
My name is Luke Cessalon. I'm a student of Red River College.
My name is Jasmine Frost, and I'm a PhD candidate in the Department of Medical Microbiology and Infectious Diseases.
Hi, my name is Steven. I'm a Master's of Education student from Brandon University.
And I participated.
I was also a member
of the 2020
President's Student Leadership Program. What attracted me to PSLP was a desire to say yes to growth opportunities, and this definitely was a great growth opportunity.
I'm in the Faculty of Management, and I think what really goes hand in hand with the skills that I'm learning there is leadership skills, and those aren't normally taught in the classroom.
I was looking for people who kind of saw the world the same way I did. They cared about it, they wanted to make a difference, they wanted to learn how to grow as leaders so that they can better the world around them.
One of the things that was reaffirmed throughout the core week as well as during the summer months was the need to have and appreciate a diverse team of people with different talents, interests, and abilities in order to be successful.
We've had the opportunity to meet some amazing leaders in our community, and overall it's just been a really powerful experience.
One of my favorite experiences with it, our workshop in October, we have like 20-ish people, all the cameras were on, and everyone's talking, everyone's sharing, and it feels so good to see so many faces. And I think it's because kind of people who are there, they know the importance of human connection, and they want to both give that and share that with people.
Leadership takes perseverance. And despite COVID, why do I think you should still sign up? Well, I know personally, and this is even in the capacity of an online PSLP program, I found massive value and development in myself as a leader.
I wasn't super thrilled coming right up to the core week, just knowing that everything was going to be online and looking ahead to the time commitment that was coming up.
But despite that, there are so many extra workshops. We get so many more opportunities to meet leaders from the city, whereas if it didn't fit in that first week over the summer, then you may not get it. So
I would encourage others to sign up for this program because it's an opportunity to learn from some of the best leaders Manitoba has to offer.
If I had to go back and decide whether or not I'd do it again, hands down, I'd say yes.
Don't put your life on hold just because COVID is here.
If you have any interest at all in this program, I encourage you to apply.
So if you're wondering whether or not you should apply, do it.